How do you feel about me loving you? Come. Come, let me hug you. Stop, don't bite me. Come here. Well, let me love you. Come. Show the camera. Don't you love me? What? You see, she loves me. You love me? Come. Are you okay? Well, I'm interviewing you. Hello, Blake. How are you? What are you doing? You want to go down? Why? Huh? But I love you. Come here. Come. We're talking to the camera. We're talking. Hello. Hello. Are you mad at me? Huh? Come here. Are you mad at me? Huh? You mad at me? Why? Blake.
Your inconsistency is still there.
I love you.
Just focus on being a character.
Why?
Doing the
No.
incredible.